Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Chicago Med Season 9. Chicago Med is a part of the One Chicago franchise alongside Chicago P.D. and Chicago Fire, and much like its sister shows, this is one of the most exciting procedurals currently on NBC. Created by Dick Wolf, Chicago Med brings the action and intensity of the One Chicago block to an emergency medicine setting. Across its first 8 seasons, the third Dick Wolf One Chicago show found its footing and a devoted following thanks to his emphasis on both intense medical cases and complex interpersonal relationships between its various characters. Chicago Med follows the elite teams of doctors and nurses at the Gaffney Chicago Medical Center as they do everything they can to treat their patients and save people's lives. It's also a part of larger universe and crosses over with the police from Chicago PD and the fire department in Chicago Fire, where all the three groups work together to help keep Chicago safe. After premiering in 2015, the series has enjoyed 8 seasons and 163 episodes. While many of the original characters have left Chicago Med, the show remains alive by bringing in new doctors and nurses to keep things fresh, and season 9 will be no different in this regard. The fans have given all their love to this particular series for the past 8 seasons, and now they have the excitement to witness the Chicago Med season 9 season as soon as it's possible. Everyone is excited to witness the doctors of the series at the earliest date possible. By the end of 8 seasons of the series, the fans will get to know that Dr. Will Halstead, character played by Nick Gelfus, will no longer be on the show. But that does not decrease the excitement of the fans to witness the Gaffney Chicago Medical Center. Chicago Med Season 9 is confirmed. The Chicago Med Season 9 renewal was confirmed in April 2022 when NBC extended all 3 of the One Chicago shows for another season. The announcement pushed Chicago Fire to Season 12, Chicago PD to Season 11, and Chicago Med to Season 9. With the show still bringing in massive viewers every week, don't expect Season 9 to be the very end. When will we get to see the Chicago Med Season 9? It will be followed that same night by new seasons of the other One Chicago shows, Chicago Fire and Chicago PD, so we can see that the fans are going to have so much of Chicago on their board. How many episodes are going to be there in season 9? We have got the official information that the 9th season of the series is going to have 13 episodes in total. What is going to be the storyline of season 9? Looking at the ending of the 8 seasons of the series, we could expect that season 9 will likely dive into the new management of the medical center. It will also need to explore what the hospital is like without Dr. Halstead after he resigned and left for Seattle to live with Natalie Manning, who will be taking his place in office. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and we will see you next time. Bye.